Lesson 6 is Chapter 4, Gemini and Google's AI ecosystem. There is a good chance you already run a big part of your business inside Google. Your email in Gmail, your files in Drive, your documents in Docs, your meetings on Google Meet, maybe even your marketing on YouTube. If so, you are going to love this chapter because Google built an AI assistant that connects directly to all of it. Its name is Gemini, your new professional AI assistant. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, and its biggest advantage is integration. While ChatGPT and Claude are powerful tools that live on their own, Gemini lives inside the Google ecosystem you already use every day. That means it can read your emails, search your Drive files, check your calendar, and pull information from your docs all in one conversation. Here is what makes Gemini special for business owners. First, Gemini can summarize your Gmail inbox. Ask it, what are the most important emails I received today? And it will give you a prioritized list. Second, Gemini can search across your Google Drive. If you have hundreds of files and cannot remember where you saved something, just ask Gemini to find it. Third, Gemini connects to Google Calendar. You can ask it to check your schedule, find open slots, or even suggest the best time for a meeting. Gemini also has something called Gemini Advanced, which gives you access to more powerful features. With Gemini Advanced, you can upload larger documents, generate images, and get more detailed analysis. It also integrates with Google Workspace, so you can use AI directly inside Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Here is your action step. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Ask Gemini to summarize your most recent emails, then ask it to find a specific file in your Google Drive. Notice how much time you save when your AI assistant can see inside your entire Google Workspace. The key takeaway from this lesson is simple. ChatGPT is your general assistant. Claude is your deep thinker. Gemini is your Google integration specialist. Use Gemini when you need to work across Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and Docs. See you on the next video.